we were inside in a place called Kahalun. And of course, when I wrote those songs, he was not even a gleam in his father's eye yet. But fortunately, he came along at the right time to be able to come and share some music with me this afternoon. I want to share with you a few songs that I did early, probably a little younger than his age right now, with a man named Robert Beaumont from Kailua. We got to make some music and we felt overwhelmed. And tomorrow night there's a concert at the Shell called Back in the Day. Anybody going? Okay, so we have to make sure we don't play exactly the same things. But the real joy in this for me is that Camuela, even though he was not born when this music was first created, that he still has the desire to make it with me and to allow me to create some of these songs for you. So a little walk to the task. Sometimes in the evening time, I miss your smile. Wonder what it would have been like if you came and stayed laughing in the waters of the clear mountain stream, looking into your eyes, I thought I saw my dream. But until you go, my love, I'll be riding like a seabird on the tide. We'll travel far and wide, my friend, I know we won't be long until you find words to write your own sweet song. Look into the eyes of those you want to see and reach out for every hand that calls you to be free. Until you find your answers, I will wait for you, my friend, gliding like a seabird, gliding like a seabird. gentle heart and some bird on the wing. Somehow feed you softly, feed your heart and mind. Because I have only you, my home. Set upon a stone I trust to feel so close at times, and tiptoe so gently I will stand. Flowers wind their arms gently on my mind, and the call of the yellow feathered friend. We are the children, we are the long flight, as ours go on in endless life. We are the children, we are the dawn of life. Together we are changing in endless life. In endless life. Brother's got a problem, it's as deep as a wishing well. No one else can help him by himself. It takes the problems of the world, lays them on his shoulders. It turns around and calls them all his own. They couldn't get it quite together, understanding change. They couldn't live amongst us idiots. So we hopped onto a boat and they sailed so far away. The brothers never meet to show his
on your lap, that's fine.
You'll see he's been doing this forever. All the scars on his broken heart never be the same. I guess that's just the way his life will go. Brother's got a problem, it's as deep as a wishing well. No one else can help him by himself. No one else can help him by himself. No one else can help him by himself.